guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful Friday. Today I wanted to do a full face of Charlotte Tilbury makeup because just the other day I got a Charlotte Tilbury PR box, and so I got into it and I realized I could do a whole full face of Charlotte Tilbury, which I don't ever do very often. So I hope you really enjoy the video. If you're new, hi, welcome, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. Don't forget to go over to my Instagram and follow me there if you want to be up in what's going on. I share my life, I share travel, I share beauty, fashion, my kids, and I have 5 of them. Yes, I have 5 kids. And if you're wondering how old I am 30, flirty, and thriving. So I hope you really enjoy the video, and yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. I thought I would show you guys everything that I got. First of all, I got this scent. This is the Scent of a Dream. I didn't even know that Charlotte Tilbury had perfumes, but I am obsessed with perfumes, so I was super excited to see this. Let's open this baby up. The box is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this bottle is absolutely exquisite. I know that this is not like a really feminine, pretty floral scent. Wow, that's a really pretty, sophisticated, like floral scent. I'm impressed, and this is a gorgeous bottle. Okay, so I got that. Here we have some, what is this? Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. I have the Charlotte Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. Their instant turnaround moisturizer. It's a cream here. So let's try this real quick before we get. It's supposed to be give you younger looking skin. So let's put it on. Why not? Smells good. It smells like skincare, like a. Smells like a spa. Charlotte's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. Looks like this. And again, their packaging is just amazing. I'll just take them off to the side here. It's the magic of dew and luminosity in a jar. Here it is. Oh, that smells really good, and that feels really good. Ooh. Never tried their skincare before, so I'm super excited to see how that works, and I'll let you guys know in the end of the month in my favorite. All right, full face of Charlotte Tilbury. Here we come. Look at this little cup. Cute, huh? Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. The Pillow Talk Luxury Palette looks like this. Very, very, very pretty, very luxurious. So let's put a primer on, shall we? Okay, so I'm gonna get into this shade first, and then I'm gonna go into this shade right here. So I'm starting with that like mauve-y color, and let's just put it in. Right away, it's pigmented. Very pigmented. And it blends out like a dream. This is the first time I'm trying the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadows. Wow, it's really pretty. Build that here. So I'm gonna do a cut crease using a concealer, and I think I'm gonna put that shimmer all over. Okay, so there we go. I did a cut crease. I'm gonna go in with this shade all over the lid, but I'm gonna leave this for the very inner corner, and I'm just gonna go in with a flat brush. actually really like these eyeshadows. They're nice. This would actually be a really good, like, luxurious gift to give somebody. Like your mom or something. These colors are actually really pretty and elegant and really gorgeous. So I'm digging it. So I do have a mascara, so I'm not gonna put lashes on. Let's do the rest of the face. I have the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I have the shade Medium 4. I love this. I've shared with you guys in the past in like favorites videos how good this is. So glowy, so beautiful. I don't think I have a Charlotte Tilbury primer, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and use this right here. This is the Icy Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. Now that it's starting to cool down, I'm gonna put this baby on because this is so good. This has, oh, it smells like roses, so good. Oh yeah. This is a good primer. Here we go. Put this baby on. I really do like this. I think this gives you like a light coverage, but it does look so glowy and so beautiful. Since I am breaking out though, I am gonna need to add a little bit of like a concealer. But man, this just does give your skin like a glow, and it does look so nice. Here we go. I'm gonna put on the NARS concealer. This is my favorite concealer right now. Okay, so I have the Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. I have the shade 2 Medium, which looks like this. I have not tried this yet, so let's see. It's actually super soft. It's like super soft, wow. I'm super picky with my powders and my mascara. I'm super picky with, like super picky. So now that I've done that, I have this Filmstar Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt and Highlight palette here. Looks like this. This is their packaging. So beautiful. And then the palette's in here. Very luxurious looking. Look at this gold packaging. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if that's dark enough for me. We're gonna have to try it and see. And I'm gonna be optimistic about it. I do have their bronzer. It's not this one, this palette, but their other bronzer. I'll put it down below, but I really do love it. I've always loved their bronzers. I think they have one of the best, personally, as far as color for my skin to contour. But here we go. This one's actually looking really nice. I like it. It's actually working really nicely. I'm gonna use the highlight, but first I wanna use the blush. Here's the Pillow Talk Cheek to Chic blush here in the shade Pillow Talk. And this is what the blush looks like. So let's get into this and check it out. Oh, that's pretty. And it matches this palette perfectly. Wow, that's actually really pretty. It's like a natural pink. Oh, actually really, I'm digging that. Looks nice. Okay, so I'm gonna get into this highlight shade here. Ooh. Yeah, this is a really pretty highlight right underneath the lower lashes there. I'm gonna put this shade and then this one. Okay, so here I have the Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes Instant Volume Length and 24-Hour Lift Effect. It's supposed to give definition, amplify, lengthen. It's smudge and humidity proof, which where I live, it's super humid. So I'm excited to try this in the shade Super Black. I'll bring you guys in really close so you guys can see. Let's see how this baby goes. Ooh, oh, interesting. Interesting. Look at this brush. It's like a flat brush. Okay, let's try this baby out. Look how long it made my lash here. So last thing here is this Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize lip liner. The lip liner itself is like your lips a better like mauve-y lip liner, which looks really pretty. It was super soft. Oh, let me untangle this. And then I have here the Pillow Talk Matte Revolution Luminous Modern Matte Long Lasting Lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk, which pretty much matches the liner itself. Okay, so this is it. This is the whole look. I'm actually super digging it. I love Charlotte Tilbury. They have some pretty good products, and I'm kind of digging this eyeshadow look. I think that this is just a really cute palette, and I would totally travel with this. And it just, I love the mascara. Holy moly, do I love this mascara. It's actually really, really good. So this is my full face of Charlotte Tilbury. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and to head over to my Instagram and come say hi to me. If you hear like a panting, I had to pick up my dog in the middle of this video and he's just like, I hope you have a wonderful Friday and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.